my YouTube channel. It's Crafty V. And make sure to like and subscribe before we get started. Today we're making moon dough. So first, you're gonna add half a cup of cornstarch. Let's add it in. Ooh, that's puffy. And if you want to dye it, you have to mix it in with the conditioner. But you will need 1/4 of conditioner. So with add. What color should I do? Assistant tip. Red. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots of it. Now we're gonna stir it. Should I? I'm gonna stir it in the bowl. Okay. I need a towel assistant. A commercial break. We're gonna add a little more. That's enough. Come on, guys. Let's start stirring. I need help, Miss Assistant. We're waiting. Now I'm gonna start stirring. This is starting to look like strawberry cake. Right, assistant? Or should I say strawberry frosting? Ooh, that removes easily. A little more. Blush me. Okay, guys, this is very fun to play with. And look. I landed on the moon, guys. Moon dough. So delicious. Actually, don't eat this at home. This is for fun, not for eating. You understand, people? You understand? Look at it melt in my hands. Here you go. Thank you, assistant. Delicioso. Pizza. Okay, now we're gonna remove the dough from this heart. Perfect. There we go, and then boom, we got a nice strawberry cookie that just got destroyed by me. Time to roll out a little more. Assistant, you did not see that. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.